Namaskar, this is an age-old remedy which our ancestors have been using for many, many years. And today also it's very much popular and it's very effective also. The main ingredient is aloe vera. So in this video we are going to see how aloe vera can be used to get rid of freckles or sunspots or age spots. Whatever may be the cause, this will help you out. Second thing, if you are new here, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video so that you can get all the notifications. So let's begin with the remedy. So first thing is you need a fresh aloe vera leaf. This is the most important thing. It should be fresh. You need to take a fresh aloe vera leaf and then you have to cut it into 2 equal halves. Okay, you have to cut lengthwise. You can just cut like this. It doesn't matter how long the piece is, but make sure that it is fresh, it is cool, and it is soft. Then take 1/2 of the leaf and then apply it on the affected area. And then you need to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can rinse it out with plain water. That's it. That's all what you need to do. You can apply this aloe vera pack twice in a day, either in the morning or in the evening. Or you can apply this at night before going to bed. You can use this pack. Make sure that you are using fresh aloe vera leaf. That is the most important thing. If you want to know why this works, then let me tell you. Aloe vera has a special enzyme which is called catalase. This catalase enzyme removes the freckles and it bleaches the skin. So whenever there is an overproduction of melanin, you have to remember one thing. That means your body is getting excess heat or your body is getting excess sun exposure. So this can cause freckles. So what aloe vera does is that the catalase enzyme present in aloe vera reduces the melanin and reduces the freckles. Along with this, aloe vera is also a very good moisturizer. So it will moisturize your skin and it would give you a very nice glow. It has antifungal properties, so it can reduce the fungal growth on your skin. And because of all these properties, aloe vera is a complete package. That's why it is used widely. Second remedy which you can use is a juice extracted from aloe vera. You can extract the juice from the aloe vera leaf. For that again, you need a fresh aloe vera leaf. You need to take the leaf, you need to cut it into 2 halves, and then you need to squeeze it. When you squeeze it, the juice will come out. Once the juice comes out, you need to collect that juice and then you need to apply it on the cotton swab. After taking the cotton swab with the juice, you have to apply it on the affected area. Again, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it out with plain water. That's it. You can use both these remedies twice in a day. You can use it in the morning or in the evening, or you can use it at night before going to bed. Either way, you can use it. But make sure that you are using fresh aloe vera. Apart from these 2 remedies, you need to take care of your diet also. You need to include more fruits and vegetables in your diet. You need to stay away from processed food, junk food, and all those things. And you need to understand that if you are having too much exposure to the sun, then you can get freckles. So protect yourself from sun rays. Stay in shade. Wear protective clothing when you go out in sun. Use sunscreen if it's really necessary, but try to stay away from sun exposure too much. So follow all these tips and you will notice that your freckles are fading away and your skin is getting clearer and brighter day by day. So try out these remedies and you will definitely benefit. Not only in case of freckles, you can use it in case of acne also. You can use it in case of dry skin, dehydrated skin. You can use it in case of any type of skin irritation. It is very soothing and it reduces the redness on the skin. It reduces the inflammation on the skin. So it is very, very beneficial. If you want more such remedies, please let me know in the comment section. If you have tried aloe vera for freckles, please let me know in the comment section about your experience. I hope this video was helpful. Smile more. Stay happy, stay healthy.